everyone, and thanks for watching another DanceLink how-to video. So you've built or purchased the perfect raised garden bed, and now it's time to fill it up. We purchased this Keter elevated garden bed this spring for under $100 at Home Depot. After assembling it, it's time to fill it up. Proper soil layering creates an ideal environment for your plant's roots to thrive. Unlike in-ground gardening, you have full control over the soil composition in a raised bed. This allows you to create the ideal layered cake for your healthy plant growth. So let's follow my wife along as she layers her garden. Okay, I've got the GoPro set up to do a time lapse. She starts with a layer of just yard debris wood that we cut up from a windstorm a few weeks ago. The wood will provide space for the roots to grow, and it takes up a lot more space than the expensive gardening soil that we'll top it off with. On top of the wood, she's doing some sticks and then some bark on that. All of this will compost down to plant nutrients later on. On top of that, she uses a layer of old mulch that we've had from recycling around the yard. The mulch is covered up with plant waste. This is the compost that came out of the kitchen before it went into our big garden, but we put it here to provide nutrients. And finally, on top of this is when she's going to add our Miracle-Gro organic topsoil or gardening soil. This is the most expensive piece, and this is where we want the seeds to grow into and get their initial nutrients. And as they grow down, it will become the perfect mix for our small little plot here. We typically just do peppers, some cherry tomatoes, and kale. This is kind of like the garden salad elevated bed for us. We'll continue on with this, planting those, and I will show you an end result here in a few minutes. You can see Liz is starting to prepare the holes for her new plants. There goes the cherry tomatoes. And now we're doing some, I think, pepper plants, kale, various peppers in the back. She grows these from seeds in the sunroom, and then later on puts them out to grow in the fresh air. So layering your elevated garden box or your garden is not complicated, and you can use existing stuff from around the yard. The best part about it is it's 100% customizable using what you have available. You can use a little more compost, you can use a little more wood or soil, whatever you think is going to be best for your plant mix. Here it is 4 or 5 days later. We had a devastating downpour last night, so these are soaked and beat down. But with a nice sunny day today, they should really burst back into life. And we've got the chipmunk deterrence pinwheels in full force out here as well. So that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.